I am currently in my demonstration page that I've made on my teacher site, and I'd like for you to check out the calendar app. So I'm going to go over here, hover over it until it turns dark gray, and then click on it. And as you can see, it looks just like a standard calendar. And to create a new event, we're just going to come over here to the left and click on the new event button. And while we wait for it, we're going to go ahead and give it an event title. So maybe first day of school. If this happened to be a reoccurring event, we can check on the reoccurrence and make it reoccurring. Registration you probably won't make a lot of use of, but if it's an event that takes place at a certain location that's maybe off-site, you would want to include the location name and address. If for some reason you wanted there to be a contact person regarding the event that you're creating, you could put it in there. You also can post to calendars, and as a teacher on a teacher site, you can post your event to your school site calendar, but I highly recommend or do not recommend this because otherwise your school calendar will get really cluttered and confusing for parents that were trying to figure out what's going on the school site. So if there is an event that's really important that you do want to have posted to the school calendar, then I would highly recommend that you contact your school site webmaster and they will put it on the school calendar for you. So I'm going to go back over here to the event. We can change the start day or set the start day and set the start time and the end time. And I'll go ahead and set it for the junior high start time and the high school start time. And junior hires and high schoolers get out about 3:07 or 3:08, but we only have 5-minute increments here, so I'll just go ahead and set it at 10 minutes. And then it's very important that remember to scroll down and save this. So here you have, once our success goes away, our first day of school posted on the website calendar. Now we do have some options here, and one that's pretty exciting if you want to connect one of your Google calendars to the website calendar. And so this is optional, but I did want to show you how it's done. So down here under the calendar app options, we have the Google Calendar integration. So I'm going to check this box. And it gives us two options. One option is to sync one way. So that means that events that you put on your Google Calendar will automatically sync to the website calendar. Or you can sync both ways, where if you put an event on the Google Calendar, it will automatically appear on the website calendar, and vice versa. If you put an event on the website calendar, it will automatically sync and be placed onto your Google Calendar. So just for our practice here, I'm going to select sync both ways, and then I'll scroll down a little bit and choose connect. It's going to ask which Google account that I want to connect to. And then if I choose this drop down, I am going to go ahead and choose one of my Google Calendar or my Google Classroom calendars. So this is going to be the Shift This calendar, and I'm going to save it. It's going to give me a notice that, hey, things are syncing. So I'm going to click OK. It's working, and it's been connected. So I can go ahead and save. And because I don't have a lot of things put onto that Shift This calendar, you're not going to see it right. You're not going to really see anything. But if I were to put something on that Shift This calendar, it would automatically appear onto this website calendar. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to unsync or unconnect those two calendars as well. And you have to scroll down here a little bit and remove it. One of the reasons why you may consider doing this is that the website system only allows for a Google Calendar to be synced to one app at a time. And so if you find that that might be a hindrance to you, then you probably wouldn't want to sync your Google Calendar with the website calendar. But I do have a solution for you that I'll show you in the next video. So I'm just going to save my options here. Actually, I'm going to uncheck this box, save my options, and then go back to my demonstration page. So stay tuned for how to embed a Google Calendar onto your website.